Did you know that every year you'll spend 615 hours in your car? You'll put your hand on your steering wheel over 1,500 times and on your turn signal over 7,000. Auto detailing provides a healthier driving experience, removing dirt, french fry grease, makeup, and other contaminants, as well as bacterial odors. Our trained and certified detailing technicians clean and protect your vehicle inside and out. We know your time is valuable, which is why we offer both mobile and in-shop services so we can get a full detail done on your schedule. The Showroom Shine Detail is a headliner to floor, roof to the road cleaning and protection of your car, truck, SUV, or minivan. Call or email to schedule today and receive a first-time discount. The number is 443-864-8671 and the email is info@onspotdetailing.com. With over 16 years of experience, we have the team and the tools to get the job done right and provide you a 5-star experience every time. Your vehicle will smell and shine like new. We also offer our Heroes discount, which includes military, doctors, nurses, firefighters, teachers, and police. Call 443-864-8671 or email info@onspotdetailing.com today to schedule. Regular detailing of your vehicle can prevent expensive repairs and replacements. And with our 5-star guarantee, there's no risk to you to make the call today and find out more about our services. Don't miss out on the first-time discount. Call 443-864-8671 or email info@onspotdetailing.com today.